Right now, he telling Yoko reporter. And they have arrested. This guy stole Ghana's money. They stole Ghana's money. And they'll be dealt with. Like, you'll be judge. You'll be new chief justice. Somebody employ you. Hey.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Busumi weimu. Sika ode ko Ghana no. Opese wo say nya o sika nyina abaka. Application a e wo so use di send sika no e lemfi. Me pese me kasa bebre. Omu ye promotion bi. Omu say 100% cashback. Sika ode be ko Ghana nyina ode opa for 5,000 pounds and as dollars and Canadian dollars and as euros e ko Ghana every week bi omu ye draw. So omu pick your account na and as omu pick it your account na say number now they register lemfi na 50 lucky winners no be ka ho a sika wo de ko ye nyina no o message wa de nyina sama back eyo da sika kra na nshi wani abai ana dodo na mabusuafo wo America na mo pese sebi mo de enioma free America eko Ghana ebi ho a oye osifie obeya wedding or to party wo home use or tonnioma like mekasa adaje beboye ni a opese odi free America eko Ghana bia no edin ye ba kope Box Oak Logistics catchroom say na TheBonahShow so and our team munka and also be such a 10% discount.
So stop that, Black Rasta. Stop that. As my Lamborghini matter come and things, Charlie and Shatta Wale and the FBI and the Black Rasta. Oh, check them. Say I be part of why? And you know they understand where they get the money from and Shatta Wale. I know they understand where they get the money from. It be the bank. Like the bank where they save for the way they do they call you. He be the same bank. Yeah. You if you can talk, you pain. I won't get then. You see, so some people, like a whole lot of people, like it can see like this. They talk it with pain. Like they talk with pain. Hey, you people, somebody do something for a fact. Charlie, you for make we know. Because sometimes when you put to do this, we they funny. The boy so not if you come and tell so because he the funny when I say like why you they come from where you come with this anger? They come they attack Shatta Wale. Or it be lack of, or it be loneliness, or lack of friends around, or it be lack of something. Or, Mama, it no be lack of it be lack of money. Wait, it be lack of money. They make people they talk foolishly with anger, with pain, because as you wake up in prepaid go off. Lack of money, but nobody they talk say God bless this one and God don't bless this one. You see, there is a way you need to have patience and work towards your goal, and God will do the rest of the work for you. But most of you don't work towards your goal. And when God even opens your door, oh God, we open doors, and God open the door, even you people go and close it. When God opened the doors, you people go and close it. God has opened a whole lot of doors for many of you, but you people closed it. Yeah? What is wrong? Something, come and tell us. Come for it. Brothers, come for it. Come here. Come on, stand. Yes, stand. Tell me your problem. Tell me. Because recently I saw you doing a publication, and Shatta Wale knows all the criminals with the rich men in the country, and you wonder what kind of nose Shatta Wale has to smell. Likewise, I am humble, so I meet everybody. May I be humble. The way you put the paint me for TV, you know, be so the rich men out there, they see me. I live in a community of rich billionaires. I don't disrespect anybody in my community, including the gatesmen and the gardeners and everybody. I don't disrespect anybody in my community. But you people paint a picture like I don't respect. And that's why when they see me, they like to help me because they see that I am not who you people say I am. So the big man where you they insult him, that same big man, he go give me $1 million, black rasta, and you they still insult him. You have a problem. Check yourself. I say you have bought the spirit of anger and pain. Ask any pastor, they go tell you. Anytime you stand behind your microphone or anytime you stand behind camera and you want to talk, you are buying spirits every day. And those spirits, they are not spirits for progress. They are spirits for damage, for death, for poverty, for us. Sometimes some of you are going through things and you don't even understand. But it's a spirit you have bought. Why can't you be happy? Just be happy and live your life. God will do the rest. God will do the rest. And when you see this person, you won't talk about this person. When you see this person, maybe somebody have done something, you won't talk about it. Mama, you are buying nonsense spirits. Why can't you see somebody wearing some clothes and say, oh God, help me to get some of these clothes? Somebody's wearing some watch, you see, oh God, help me. Oh, Shatta, I like your watch. May God help me to also get some. You have called a spirit of watch, Rolex, jewelry. God will bring it in front of you. Or you don't read Psalm 23. It's sad. It's very sad that you people are not still seeing what this life means. This life, it be two things, so negative or positive. So you choose your own and go. I guess what I'm saying. You choose your own and go. And if you make your mind like, say, you get some life, Mama, you can't outsmart this life. You can't be smarter than this life. It's this life that holds you. Without life, you are meat for the termites in the ground. Without life, without life, you are a sand. Without life, you are a skeleton. Without life, you are nothing. And life is God. So respect life and know what to choose in life. Know what the things you choose in life. Trust me. People are choosing the wrong things in life. Let me hate this boy. Let us stop this boy. The moment you try to stop somebody getting in food, then you have bought a spirit. Mama, plenty spirit in the world inside. Don't let anybody lie to you. Don't let anybody lie the 99 spirit. No. Nobody know the amount of spirits in there, the ones that apart from God. Plenty spirits are hovering around. Trust me. But you know what genies and shit and angels and do you know what's happening in the world at all? So if they tell you about draft, I know see draft before. Spirits day. So careful of the spirit you get. Careful of the spirit you want to get. Otherwise, you be seeing people like Shatta Wale, and when I talk, you come and say something like maybe today or I don't want to. No, don't want to do. I change. Sometimes, you people, I will play music for people. Make people listen because people need to listen. People need to listen vibe. People need to listen. People need to listen lyrics. It's very sad. Change your spirits. I'm just so much in the spirit, guys. Like, I just love God so much. Sometimes I know I come here to just tell people about God. But you see, when people like Amira Dabra and this black rastas and this portfolio guy, when they behave like that, I see like, and they know plenty to. So, and you see, and that be the most painful thing because not be everybody they talk what they talk. What did they talk? The majority they talk about, oh, work, oh, how can we make money? How come? But them alone, they get paid. And they lie to some type group of people and they believe them. this man Lamborghini kid, black was like they pray, make they say, oh, FBI can pick Shatta. Oh, I told you, all his money. Hey, my black rasta, make I tell you, me, the things you hear about me for time, you know, be so, no, don't do that, too. So now you trust Yoko, that Yoko is a very respected institution. They check me. They say, nah, this guy, come on. Now watch I thank my uncle. Uncle Ray, I greet you. Come on. So I have to talk backwards. I know he's been talking about this since. I don't know who's been giving information, but you have to talk to him. He has pain. You are not a journalist. Black man say, I am not a journalist. I'm a Adebra, I am not a journalist. Portfolio, you are not a journalist. You people talk with pain. Journalists don't talk like that. Can't you see CNN? When they are giving news. So there was a war in Iraq and people in Iraq, but we are hoping that the president of the United States of America will sort of. They said there's a war in Iraq, yeah, Ghana, Black Rasta. So the guy threw the bomb. Lord God Rastafari. But they are going to arrest him. It be news, Batman. It be news. They don't come in. It be news. Which kind of nonsense with this? It be news. You say journalists, read the news. Come and give us the news. Don't come and talk with pain. Lord God Almighty. And they stole Ghana's money. They stole Ghana's money. Where you there? And he and his wife has been spending. Are you Black Rasta? If your sister with somebody they talking matter like that, you go join me. And finally they have arrested. Hey, which happy joy with that? Which joy with that? With joy. The person they arrest, they do music. They do pumeme music. They don't arrest you. They for arrest you long time. They just say, you know, they do pumeme music. Pumeme. That one said, we no complain. Nonsense. You see what your neighboring countries are doing. You see what Shatta Wale they do. God is here. Messages, street calm. We are giving people motivational. You old man like mad. You gotta do mad. Go team music. And do mad. Only your achievement. I sang for. We go to church. By the watching the pastor, I sang for Barack Obama. Barack Obama, lead president. You know. You sang for Barack Obama. If you me, I sing for Barack Obama. Like right now, I buy Accra. That's the difference between me and you. You see, as I see people can talk. I sang for Barack Obama. Hey, take carry back. What are you doing with this? May I feature? I sing with Beyonce where I get millions of dollars for inside. They mean I they leave, you know. We they show you proof. Prove your own. You sang with Barack Obama. Or you sang with Barack Obama, or you talk Yoko case. Right now, you tell Yoko reporter. And they have arrested. This guy stole Ghana's money. They stole Ghana's money. And they'll be dealt with. Like, you'll be judge. You'll be new chief justice. Somebody employ you. Hey. No, it's sad. Oh. It's very sad. It's very sad. Like the pain some of you have in you, I don't know where you take the pain come from. But I pray that God changes your minds with the pain we people get. People get too much pain. And it make you disgrace yourself, but nobody they tell you. But today, Shatta Wale me, they tell you. You put disgrace yourself and make come for your front. Right now, they do like I they do some business where we dubious business or I they do something. Like you put know if you get them. Because I wasn't moving with pain. You guys were moving with pain. Pain, oh, if they say pain, you people get pain. You people like before even make T-Pain take a name give you. So they make you T-Pain family. Etipaile family. Mutiemu ya with no solution. Why? You people wake up. Oh. Wake up. They tell you. If you don't wake up, it'll be your life. What are they talk? See, I'm like the way you go see I'm. I don't care. They tell you. Where? Waste of time what people they do for them. The people that they mention your names, learn from it. If you too be some radio presenter for the way you dey buy those spirits. Stop the buy those because that thing no go stop Shatta Wale today, no go stop me tomorrow, no go stop me in your face no I go buy chopper, helicopter and submarine and things. But we say one buy CEO. As me I won't buy my dream big, but my dream big go. Share. My dream big, rough, trust me. Hey. People pray me I don't get like I will get like some 533 trillion. Mama, I swear. I can go buy Accra and take the car park. Everybody go leave the city. Go stay where you want to stay. I don't pack car for Accra. Charlie. One car, I don't pack for the Accra and I don't pack one car, then go pack. That be the power of hard work and money. So people you did there and do like they do people they talk, they do like you don't want to hear. Okay. You be here with day. You go feel them. Go feel them. I tell you. Rasta. If poverty call you, then you pick. Don't pick. If you dey pick up poverty call, that's why people they talk with pain. If poverty call, we will beat her, man. Poverty your mother. Poverty your father. Poverty your mother crowd. Poverty. Poverty. Poverty your papa. Guys, what I want to tell you is that learn how to build this thing. There are spirits hovering around us. And the only way you can get the good spirits is by thinking positive. You didn't come into this world with any man to come and watch any man. So why have you made it your problem to watch somebody? If you want to be a journalist, fine. If you want to be a media person, fine. But put things out there with facts, not like Amea Debra, who doesn't know what he's about in his life. He has bought a whole lot of sprays for himself. That's why he's like that. Come to see Amea, everything like he is sick. Like he's sick. See Black Rasta, that's what I'm talking about. Man has gone old with gray hair and things, and he's still talking like that. Talking he's talking can give him $3 million today. Hey, learn how to speak positive so you can conjure good spirits into your body. I beg you, stop listening to those people that have pain in them when they talk. They are agents. And some of them, when they talk like that, it infects. And that be how the devil find the idle minds and play with them. That's why some people they plenty for internet top. They don't see for very we say Shatta the also say on board there. Where Shamida? Jimmy never Jimmy. Mboa there. Yes, say me mboa there. Uba me changa kaka me chow $200. Now she say $200 in mboa there. The any ne powerful. Obi akacho say me mboa there. For me mboa there no koto rice na shwe. For me mboa there KFC say na so omoma 2 chips with chicken. Me mboa there. You be boy. Stop listening to people. Stop. It's not helping. And today, this is where I'll end my live video. That I want to tell my other brother to stop those childish plays and be serious in life. Because his colleagues are making it out there. And he should also try and make it. And to all of you that feel you were trying to stop Shatta Wale, you were trying to make Shatta Wale, I want to just let you know that I'm too blessed. Where God has put me, you are here. You are here. You are not even here. You are here. You are here. So learn how to speak positive. Because you are scan your the negative spirits you have. That's why you are not even making it. That's why some of you will look at me like this. You know in your heart that when you finish your interview, you know you pick Uber. Some of you know that you call a friend to come and pick you. You know. Me, we are not the pick Uber. We are the pick taxi. I dey drive my own taxi. I get my own company. Me, where you won't fight. You fight me for musical. When I pass music, I enter business. The way I reach it bad. So come and let's do business and let's make money and let's all be happy. Or we'll go like this. I go torment you, eh? I go torment. See, the tormentor go torment you, boy. People, if you even see me like me where they call me Satan. I go torment you, boy.